Hello class, today we are going to be using StoryJumper to complete a lesson for today's class. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to log in or create an account on StoryJumper. Once you access this free site, you are going to need to begin exploring. Clicking on the library tab, which we'll do right here, will access other posted stories. Students can join the teacher's classroom, which you will need to do when you are signing up for your account. I will provide the room number. And if the teacher wants to see your work. So I'm going to obviously want to see your work once you create your book that we are going to be doing today. And your classmates are too. Extension from one student to other students in class and even around the world is shown here. Students are able to search by topic, title, or popularity, which is shown all right here. You're going to have make your own book, editor's picks, bestsellers, and your popular topics. If a student wants to create a story, which we'll do in class today, they click Create a Book, which is right here where my cursor is, under the Home tab. Students will be guided to make a how-to book on their topic. Once you click on Create a Book, you're going to click blank. And normally there's going to be an instructional video that pops up that you're probably going to want to watch to have additional information of how to exactly access the site. To begin creating, students can add text, which is right here. If you click text, you're going to be able to drag into each page. If you want to add props, which are illustrations, you just drag it. Scenes, drag, and then photos from your laptop, you can do that as well. And even a voice, if they would like. Each page may represent a new step in the process. Students are engaged with a software tour embedded in the site, which I was explaining earlier that you will look at once you click create a story and you hit blank. First, users will see an instructional video how to access the site. Students direct their own learning with this project, so their ability to extend their ideas with these tools will help with independence. So what I can provide you here is I'm going to scroll up here from this demonstration. I'm going to click back and we're going to access how to keep a plant healthy. So I already created a book. In my how-to, we're going to make a how-to book of how you can do anything. How to pour a glass of water, how to cook a cookie. What I did is how to keep a plant healthy. So you're going to, I already did this book, and if you want to click over, so how to keep a plant healthy, I added this text box, I did a cool font, color, made it colorful, added a little illustration with plants and a little lake. And then what I did here, I did the next page, I did allow plant to have direct sunlight. So that's the first step of the process, correct? And then I added a little illustration of a sun and a little plant again. And when I click over to the next page, I have a cloud, more illustrations, more text. And then at the end was the final step in the process, which was watch your plant grow. And then as you see, we have a huge illustration of forest, rain, sun. So this is what you're going to be doing in class today. Here's an example project, which I just showed you that was created. Students will make a title page, a step-by-step illustration for their selected how-to topic, and then add illustrations to show their idea. Students are free to personalize with this book. Once you finish making your book, you're going to want to post it on the class page so all students can interact and go back, and so I can go look at your book as well.